dive into our Stars of Love collection, 9 stunning diamond paintings. Stay tuned for the enchanting journey ahead. Now, let's dive deeper into the enchanting world of our Stars of Love collection. These exquisite canvases, all crafted with the brilliance of AB diamonds, offer a symphony of vibrant colours that will bring your artistic vision to life. Each canvas in this collection is a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail that sets our diamond paintings apart. And here's the exciting part: all orders from the Stars of Love collection come with free shipping worldwide. That's right, the sparkle of love knows no bounds, and we want to make sure your masterpiece reaches you no matter where you are. Tell me, from 1 to 9, which is your favourite canvas in the comments. For every person who comments, we have a surprise. So, why wait? Unleash your creativity, explore the radiant beauty of our Stars of Love collection, and let your imagination soar. Happy diamond painting, and may your art be as bright as the stars.